Hi everyone, welcome back to Swiss Home Garden. Chitra here. In this video, I will be taking you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to make your own root cellar vegetable storage. Let's begin. Previously, we stored our potato and onion harvest in the cellar over here using wooden crates, but that was not practical anymore. The only storage space we had was below this workbench. We will be customizing an IKEA shelving unit from the series Hejne for this purpose. I will take you through a step-by-step process so you can have an idea of how this is done.
Because in this way it will fit below here. Okay, this is a little shorter because behind there it's shorter. Okay, I cut it in half, and then what we intend to do is, instead of making it straight, we make it like this, a little bit slanted. Is it called slanting?
Yeah, slanting. Yeah.
Slanting, so that the potatoes will roll down and it's easier to check them. At the end we make a little bit border like this, so they don't fall off. At the same time I make sure that if we don't have any potatoes, or if we like, we can also put some basket in. So the first thing is I measured here the height, then I had to cut them. They are not exactly the same because behind there is a little bar. Just make sure that the holes are on the same level. One goes behind. This just fits here. And the other one goes here. So in this way I can also fix it against this pole. So in this way it's nicely strong. Okay, I do that at the end. So what I do first, I fix it on the floor. It's a little easier to handle. Get it slanted, I put here the back, the behind hole, and then the front will go to this, so it becomes like a slope. Okay. Is this the wrong? Oops. No, that's the wrong. Okay. Okay. So instead of the same height, I put it below. One level below. So you see, here it's one, here is two holes. So I keep it roughly there in place.
Yeah.
And here the thing is, if I keep this here, I will not be able to have the second one on the same level. Because I cannot drill from both sides in the same level. Then I either would have to cut the screw, make it like a bolt, or what I did, I made a second hole here, counted here 4 centimeter. Okay. First one is fixed.
This particular basket easily can be used for this purpose, but I didn't use it for this vegetable rack. And so on, you can follow the same principles, the same way with the top layer for the other shelving units.
Take here the measurement for the next one. I just do roughly about 4 centimeter up. I made already a hole here before, 4.5 in this case. 4 to 4.5. This is pretty much 49 centimeter. So I measure here also. And this better you make it very precise, otherwise it will not be straight. And then
How much is that?
49 in this case. That is up to each individual. And here I see the hole, so I put it roughly
In the middle.
middle of the hole, mark it here with the cross, and I take a wood drill.
Since technically it was not possible to have all the units on the same level, we had to work around it, and this has worked out. The same kind of measurement also for the back, so that this rack is stable at the back too. Do it like this. Put 2 of those. 1, 2. Now I can do it like this. Something so that the thing will not fall off. Okay? Like this. The holes should be on the same level. If you turn this around, then the holes may not be on the same level. For making this vegetable rack, we needed one Hejne shelving unit, and we got a couple of extra shelves. This was more than sufficient. In addition to that, we also got some roofing pattern. Since we didn't want to be storing them with the baskets in these vegetable racks, we decided to use simple and cheap roofing batten for this purpose. So we will be using them like blockers on 3 sides of these racks. That way, when the potato rolls down, it will not roll out to the floor, and this gives it a support. We left about 2.5 centimeter gap before fixing in the roofing batten onto the shelf. That should be enough to stop even the smallest of potatoes from rolling down. This roofing pattern can be got from any of the DIY shops, and they're usually very inexpensive because this is like a very rough kind of wood which is used for roofing purposes. Cut the roofing patterns to fit to the size. Leave 2.5 centimeter gap between the pattern and the shelf. I have shared a whole blog post. I will leave a link below in the description box. I'm sorry for my technical insufficiencies. I'm not so good at all these technical DIYs, so I will let you watch the video. I wouldn't advise doing such stunts of cutting the wood using your lap as a support. It was really scary for me to watch. This ruler helped to maintain an even gap on all the three sides, and plus it gave a support while trying to drill the hole into the wood. Our very own customized DIY vegetable rack is now ready. All in all, we spent around 60 to 65 Swiss francs for this whole project. I hope this video was useful to you and you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. I post one new video every week on food from scratch, Swiss country living, gardening and natural recipes. See you in my next video. Bye bye.